All right, let's take a little ride here in a 55 Chevy Bel Air. This one's a big block. 454.
Woo! Man, it's got a gear drive in it.
Oh yeah.
It's got a nice shifting 700, nice and responsive.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's got hooked up to a Ford 9-inch too. You know, I think it's got 411s in there, and it's got some adjustable QA1s in the back.
It's narrow too. It's got narrowed rear end in there.
Yep.
Big meats in the back.
Oh yeah. And the engine's got, you know, we got some stuff in there. You know, you got your former intake manifold, your Holley, and got some front tubular control arms.
Cops waved to us. They must like us today.
Yeah, that's it. They do? You know, and rack
burnout then.
Yeah, rack and pinion steering. Yeah, we got all kinds of good stuff in here. The interior is pretty nice. Got your Lokar shifter.
Digital dash.
Yeah, you got your Dakota Digital. You got your classic Autosound type radio.
Lokar shifter.
Oh yeah. And then the interior's in good shape too, man. They just got it done, I think.
Yeah, the interior's brand new in this car. It's probably 4 or 5 months old.
Wow.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
It's comfortable too.
Yeah, this thing, it moves pretty good. Go ahead, sit on the gas a little. Yeah, look at that.
It's a heavy car to get going too.
Oh yeah, that big block really helps there. And it's got 4-wheel disc brakes. I think the front ones are CPP. Back ones might be the ones that just come with a Ford 9-inch, you know. So yeah, it's a pretty nice car.
Got rack and pinion steering too, I almost forgot.
Yeah, yep, I mentioned that, so that's good. Rack and pinion. So yeah, if you guys want a car for the cruise that you know gets out of its own way, this is one. This is real nice. That's real good too. You'll see
some. Not a lot of money. There's a ton of money in some of these cars. You know?
Oh yeah, I think this is. I think we got this listed for $36,900. You know, so all right, coming out the picture spot.
All right, check out this bad dude. 1955 Chevy Bel Air post car. This one's got a big block in it. Got a 454 with that 700R overdrive transmission in it with a shift kit. It's mini tubbed. It's got a Ford 9-inch in the back. 18-inch Americans. Nice and deep. Nice. They did a nice job on the mini tub too. It's real clean looking. It doesn't look like, you know, some of these race cars do. This one here is two-tone, turquoise and white. It's got a brand new interior in it. It was probably done about 6 months ago. Really nice, actually. It, you know, makes the outside look just all that much better. Really clean, nice headliner. Even has a little custom embroidery back here with bow tie. But the trim, chrome, stainless, all in nice condition. Also has the digital dash, Dakota Digital, which, you know, some people are fans, some people aren't, but that's a real easy changeover. But it's got the Custom Autosound stereo, Lokar shifter, got kick panel speakers, nice stereo. But kind of looks stock, you know, other than a few little things inside. It's got a nice stance, the sway bars, disc brakes all the way around, power steering with the rack and pinion unit. Drives pretty modern. These are really great cars to go on cruise nights with. Lots of fun. Here's the power plant in the 55 Chevy. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 454, kind of an earlier crate motor. It's got a 770 Holley carburetor on there with a polished performer intake. It's got the really nice front runner system up there with the aluminum brackets. It has an AC compressor on it, but that's as far as they went. Nobody ever hooked up AC to it, so it's part of the way there, you know, but it came with that system, so that's why it's on there. Aluminum radiator, electric fans, as I mentioned earlier, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Also, it's got the tubular control arms up front, make it handle a little bit better. We'll go ahead and fire this bad boy up for you. It's got a gear drive too, which sounds pretty cool. Sounds like a beast. Come around back. Nice little rumpity rump sound to it. This one's a lot of fun to drive, turns a lot of heads, makes you feel good about going on a cruise. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see us at California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. It's hanging out in the 55 over there. Be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.